we doing? How's it going? I'm gonna have a quick video. I have a lovely nail mail. It's not friend mail, but it's nail mail. I got this from Nail Sugar. I believe this is what this one is. I hope so. So let me go grab my scissors and we will take a quick peek inside. Trying to do it quick, but not too quick, because I've still got a ton of things to do today. Plus, I've only got a couple of hours before I've got to go pick the boy up. And also going away for the weekend. And I want to get this done. And then I've got to do something for the other half. So it's kind of going to be a quick video today. Yep. Now sugar. Put that on the floor. So yeah, so it's packaged from Nail Sugar. I ordered the new stuff that's on her website. So all the new goodies. Well, most of them. I actually forgot one of the glitters, and I didn't get all of some of it, but for the most part, we got what was on the website. So these are the new things that she's been doing. She's been making earrings and jewellery stuff. And I wanted some because in my job I can wear excuse me. In my job I can wear these type of things at Christmas time, so I thought I'd get some for Christmas, and they are gorgeous. Look at them. Let's quickly get them out and I'll show you. Like I say, I'm rushing, but I'm not rushing, if you know what I mean. I've also got another video to do after this one, so yeah. So that is them. Look how beautiful they are. How cute are they? Stunning. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you in just a little bit more. Just that way I don't have to keep going all the way up. Is that too close? Yes. That's why it's not too close then. Yep, no, we're all good. I know if I go too close sometimes it flicks backwards and forwards, and that's really annoying. So that's those gingerbread earrings. And then she brought out some new decals. Oh, yes, it is doing it. Oh, let me just zoom it out a little bit. Can't stand it when it does that. Hopefully it won't do it now. We're good, I think we're good. Right, let's get into it. Open. Oh, rubbish. It says, hello new decals. I'm sorry, but I'm not going to save the paper because it tears so easily. So, damn you! Put that there a minute. So these are the new decals. So this is the elf. I can't remember off the top of my head. I really can't. Elf type ones. So you got the feet and the hat. I suppose you can do in between if you like. And then these are the like bordered type ones, so the outlines, and you could colour in if you wanted them all. Let's bring it in and have a quick look. But just, they are adorable. And then some Christmas puddings. Christmas puds. We like a good Christmas pud. In all different sizes. But yeah. I loved them, so I had to have them. Well, I didn't have. You know, it's nail stuff is an obsession. Once you get into it, you're screwed, basically. And then there's a few Sorry, I got fog in my throat. So there are some new glitterers out. Stick them on the floor, but first I'm going to show you these lovely charms. So let me just grab a tray. I've got one here, thankfully. And they are the new nail charms she has on the website. But you know, all of the charms. Let's see if I can. No, of course they're not. I did watch. The reason I did this was because I watched Miss Natalie Mugridge. She did a video on them. So you know your girl had to go get them. Because she loves nail sugar and all things nail sugar related. But look at that. Look how gorgeous they are. Right, I don't know how close I'm going to be able to get them. Let's see how close we can get them. But look how beautiful they are, and they've got rhinestones in them. Wow, that's pretty damn close. I'm impressed. I am impressed. So yeah, so that is those. What do I do with the thing? There it is. And then she's got some new glitters out as well. Now I'm missing one of them because I didn't realise after I had done it. Ooh, a freebie mix. It says thank you for your order. Freebie mix, yours to name. How beautiful is that? Stunning. Let's have a look. Do it the way that I usually do it. Just look how beautiful that is. That is just stunning. We love that. Not sure what to name it, but we'll find something. If not, leave a comment down below on what you think I should name it. What should I name this beautiful glitter? Leave a comment down below. And then we've got, these are the new ones now. So this one is Winter Frost. And that is full of gorgeousness. So it's got like 4 pointed stars. I can see trees in, trees in it. It's a lovely greeny blue mix. Let's open it up. How beautiful that is. Gorgeous. We love it. And then this one, which is Party Season. Oh, that one was called Winter Forest. Sorry, my bad. And then Party Season. This one is beautiful. Just looks like Hexie's in there, and green, pink, green. No, I said green, didn't I? I was meant to say gold. But just look how beautiful that is, sorry. But look at all that gorgeousness. Isn't that beautiful? Then we've got Snow Angel. And this one was just, I could not. It's so fine as well. It's all them fine glitters in it. Let's see if we can. It just looks so gorgeous. You can see some stars in there. Where are you? There you are. I saw a heart. Yes, I see a heart in there as well. Oh, Come on, woman. Pay attention. But isn't that just gorgeous? Gorgeous. And then this one is Iced Violet. Now I saw this one and I was like, wow. No, wow. That is stunning. Oh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Right. So give me 2 seconds and I'll pop these in little pots and show you in the pots. So give me 1 second. Right, so I'm back. We're all glittered up. Look at that. Let's have a look inside, shall we? Look how beautiful the glitter is. Stunning. And then that one was Forest. Which one was it? Winter Forest, sorry. And then this one is which one was this? This one's Party Season. As you can imagine, that is a party in a pot. Then this one, let's give this one a bit of a shake. This one was Snow Angel. See them stars and hearts in there. Beautiful. Then this one is Iced Violet. Uh-oh, bear with me a minute. Right, sorry about that. That other thing I had to do for the other half, I just had to do it. So he's now gone away and left me to it. So let's get into this one again. And this one was Iced Violet. I was literally just about to show you it. Gorgeous as that. And then the last thing is my freebie mix, which, as I said, if you like, you can leave a comment down below, give it a name for me, because I run out of names quite quickly. But yeah, love it all. I'm in love. So, thank you so much to Karen. That is the name of the lovely lady that owns Nail Sugar and does it and runs it, and it comes up with all of this wonderful stuff. I will leave, excuse me, a link to the website. I will also leave a link to the Facebook page of Nail Sugar, and you can go and grab these goodies. They are available now. There was one, if I remember, I'll put a picture on the screen of what the glitter was that I missed. It was a, I can't remember, I really can't remember off my head, but I know it was like a purpley, I think it was a purplyish pinky, maybe red colour. I can't remember off the top of my head. I know it's a fine glitter, that I do know. And I forgot to purchase it because I'm stupid like that, so hopefully on my next purchase I will grab, hopefully in a few days, maybe, we'll see. But until then, thank you so much for watching. do pop over to Natalie Muggeridge's YouTube channel as well. She makes some gorgeous stuff with nail sugar stuff. I don't think she made anything with the new stuff, but she does also have a discount code. But go watch, go find out, and she'll soon tell you what that discount code is. But until then, guys, thank you so much for joining me and having a look at these lovely goodies. And until next time, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you'll be notified next time I upload a video. And until the next one, guys, I will see you again soon. Bye!